The Galaxy S23 Ultra is right around the corner and Apple is just so happy. Samsung has been the absolute king when it comes to the display on smartphones. Their flagship phones have always had an upper hand over the iPhones when it comes to the technology, brightness, quality, look, but now that finally ends. For the first time ever in the history of Samsung versus Apple wars, the iPhone 14 Pro Max will beat the S23 Ultra and still remains your reigning undisputed champion when it comes to the smartphone brightness, coming at 2000 nits. Samsung is keeping the S23 Ultra on 1750 nits even though they made these two displays. If they wanted to, they could have even given a better display to the S23 Ultra. Perhaps the recently announced absolute bonker ultra dynamic range smartphone display that has 2000 nits brightness, but more importantly, the ultra dynamic range would have made the S23 Ultra absolutely untouchable. We're definitely gonna see a Samsung flagship with this new display tech, but sadly it's not going to be the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Maybe they made this decision in order to have the best battery life, but whatever they did, they just let Apple win, and I'm pretty sure Tim Cook is super happy. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Now the display will still be absolutely incredible with minimal bezels and of course no dynamic notch or anything. It will be one of the first in the industry to have the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, meaning it's gonna have an even better drop test protection along with that armor aluminum frame. We're also getting DDR5X RAM along with next level optical image stabilization for both front and back cameras. The new 200 megapixel sensor will have a brand new camera glass protection for even better light control, especially when you're taking photos at night controlling that glare. And lastly, 8K Super HDR video is coming at 30 frames per second. It's still going to be an absolute bombshell of a flagship for 2023. Now lastly, we have the confirmed colors of the S23 and the S23 Plus. Apparently they're going to be sold in cream, green, lavender and phantom black. As for the S23 Ultra, we're going to see beige, green, possibly red and black colors. As always, there will be 3 more colors that Samsung will offer on their official online website. So there we go, Samsung has pretty much just let Apple win despite having an ultra dynamic range 2000 nits display that they just announced at the CES 2023. We're very likely not going to see that on the S23 Ultra. It makes me sad that Samsung is just letting Apple win. Since S23 Ultra will be the only standard flagship phone from Samsung for 2023, Apple might actually adopt the UDR display on the iPhone 15 Pro Max unless Samsung somehow brings this to their Z Flip 5 or the Galaxy Fold 5, but we'll see about that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.